Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today, my voice is killing me. As you guys know, this was Holy Week over here. Well, not only over here, everywhere in the world for Christians and Catholics. And for us, it was an important, week because we had a lot of visitors on the museum, which is one of the projects that I have here in Mexico. And fortunately, we had a great week. People enjoyed the experience and it was amazing, but my voice is gone. I lost all of my voice. I've been screaming nonstop for the last couple of days, and today it finally caught up to me, and now I have like a really, really sore throat. So I need to get like probably just one day of rest, and I'll be ready to keep on working with you guys. But before we continue with today's topic, which is going to be a short one, let me give you guys this little bit of advice. You might not be able to learn 3D from me today, but you can do it by going into Skillshare. Hey guys, Abraham here. I just want to remind you guys that we upload all of our courses to Skillshare. Skillshare is this amazing site where you can access a ton of different content to learn, improve, and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now in Skillshare. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free month trial to their premium membership. With this membership, you're going to be able to access all of our courses and watch and learn all of the amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So, what are you waiting for? Check Skillshare down here below. There we go. So that's part of our advertisement now. The Skillshare promotion is really, really cool, guys. Make sure to check it out. It's completely free, no strings attached, and you can watch all of my courses and every other's instructor's courses as well. So today we're going to talk about the remaining dates that we have right now on our month, and I want to show you what we're going to be working on, okay? So first of all, important thing, we're going to have our live session, our live stream right here. So on Wednesday 27th, we're going to have our live. We've been having one live stream every month at the end of the month to work on like stuff and just like chat and have a good time. And we're going to have our live event at this point. So for you guys, or for the guys here on the west side of the world, it's going to be on Tuesday, 10 p.m. Mexico time. And for everyone in India, which I know it's most of our audience, it's going to be on Wednesday, 10 a.m. India time, okay? So this is roughly going to be the times for you guys. Make sure to get it on your calendar. I still haven't learned how to get like a notification for everyone on the channel, but we're going to have our live stream next Wednesday here on the channel. So make sure to get your questions ready. We're not going to do portfolio reviews this time. We're going to save that for next month. So we're not going to be talking about portfolio reviews, but if you want to like learn about a specific technique or anything, leave it in the comments down here and I'll be like, I'll start preparing some sort of like content for you guys. Now, this week, I want to work on the character. We were doing this infected character, right? So it's going to be the character. Based on my calculations, it should take us about 4 or 5 days to finish this guy, depending on how how my voice recovers and how fast we can work this out. Let me like add a different color. That one's really ugly. Let's just do like black. That's fine. So our character session will be all of this following days. If you're following along, make sure to leave a like and a comment so we can continue with the character. Then on the weekend, one of the project that has been popping out and people want me to continue, it's gonna be the lighthouse. Okay, so we're gonna work on the lighthouse on weekends. It's gonna be like right here, and probably like a couple of days over here. This is, of course, if we don't get any like new thing or like special announcement. We are gonna have a special announcement. ZBrush announced a new live stream. ZBrush live stream April. You're gonna do something. Where is it? There we go. No, is that one? No, that's not the one. It's not ZBrush, it's Maxon. So you guys know Maxon bought ZBrush last year, which not everyone was happy about, right? But so far things have remained like the same, and I'm actually kind of like looking forward to this. So there we go. So April 20, 8 a.m. Pacific time, which is gonna be like 10 a.m. for me. April 20. That's on Wednesday. We're gonna have this event. I might cover it. We might have a live stream, like just like watch it together. If you guys are up to that, if you guys like that, let me know in the comments, and we can do like that, like an event, like just watch it together and see what they got. Of course, they're gonna showcase other things about Maxon. So they're gonna talk about, of course, Cinema 4D, probably Redshift, and definitely ZBrush. I think those are gonna be like the three main things. I'm not sure if Red Giant is gonna be something there, but that's definitely something that they're gonna be like mentioning. So we're definitely gonna cover something. Usually in these big events, usually not always, but usually they release a new like version of the software. So I wouldn't be surprised if they released. Oh, my camera fell again. I wouldn't be released if they. I wouldn't be surprised if they release a new version of ZBrush or a new update to ZBrush, and they usually launch them like right now, and it's right there. So if they do that and there's new tools, then we'll probably have to pause the other projects and just like take a look at what those tools are so that I can show them to you guys. But yeah. There's like a D&D event as well, but I don't think a lot of you guys are interested in that one. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on pushing. So again, I apologize for like my condition right now. I'm sorry that I can't deliver a nice 3D video today, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, and I want to make sure that we had something. Now, as you can see, we still have a couple of dates open. So suggest themes and topics here in the comments, and I'll be happy to cover that as well. Sometimes I just grab a topic and talk about it for a couple of days. If you guys want me to talk about specific things that I'm proficient with, let me know, and I'll be happy to look up or just like look into it and add it into our collection. Any ideas, like I don't know, like proper portfolio techniques or rendering, stuff like that, animation, things that you might find useful, let me know what you want in the comments, and I'll be happy to take a look at it. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye bye.